What are you doing in Switzerland?
Huh?
What are you doing in Switzerland?
Free diving.
All Japanese do that?
No.
No. You have a lanyard?
I have.
You have a deep watch? How deep you gonna go?
This time, just warming up.
Just warming up. Okay. What's the name of this lake?
I forget.
Oh, you forgot? What's the name of this lake?
I forgot. Fujimori. It's the lake. Fujimori.
The lake.
Fujiyama. Fujiyama. The name of this lake is...
Lago Maggiore! Oh, I went underwater.